Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. So today we are going to be making a roux. And roux is a very simple recipe. It basically incorporates oil and flour. So it's not very difficult to make. It's relatively simple. You just need to use a consistent heat and not walk away. Because when making your roux, if you walk away and you burn your roux, you have to start from scratch all over again. So let's move over to the stove and let's get our roux made for the day. Before we continue, I publish new videos every Tuesday, so remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also enable notifications and you'll be the first to know when new videos are published. So now, back to our recipe. Alright, so we've got about 3 cups of oil heating up over a medium-high heat, and we're going to slowly start adding in our flour. And you're going to want to incorporate equal parts flour with the oil. May have to turn this down a little bit. So I'm going to get all this flour mixed up with our oil, and we'll be back here in a little bit. Alright, so we've got all our flour incorporated into our oil. So now we're going to just sit here and continue to mix this up because we do not want to stop, because this will burn. And if you burn your roux, you get to start from scratch all over again. So I'll be back here in a little bit, probably in about 15 minutes. This can take, depending on how high you run with your heat, this can take at least a good half hour to an hour. So I'll see y'all back here in a little bit. Alright, as you can see, it's slowly starting to turn brown, and we are at about 15 minutes. So we're going to just keep on going, and once again, don't stop because you will burn it. So we'll keep stirring and we'll keep getting it darker. Okay, so we're right at the 40-minute mark, and I have got my roux right where I want it. Now, if you want yours darker than what mine is or lighter than what mine is, you can either pull it off early or go a little bit longer. So now I'm going to turn off my heat, and I am going to remove this from the burner so it can start cooling down, and then I'm going to get this stored up. Alright, so I have removed my roux from the stove, and I've got it setting over on my counter to cool. This will take a few hours to cool down before I can put it in a container and store it. Don't be worried if the oil separates. As it settles and cools, all you'll have to do is mix it up when you go to use it. So I hope everybody enjoyed the video. I hope you realize making a roux is not that difficult. It's just a bit time consuming. So I hope everybody has a wonderful day, and remember, be nice and be kind. You may change somebody's day. So enjoy cooking in the kitchen.